Hi, and thanks for choosing to watch this SalesLogix video, Tips and Tricks to the Return, in which I'm going to show you a few more tips and tricks that might be useful as you use the SalesLogix LAN client. You can look out for our other tips and tricks videos too. Let's start with a few tips when using the SalesLogix calendar. You can easily get to the calendar tab of Tools Options by simply right-clicking in the grid and choosing Options. You'll notice in Options that you can set a drag default, which allows you to choose the activity when drag scheduling in the calendar. You'll notice that the intervals in the calendar are set to half-hour blocks by default, but you may want to drag through only 15 minutes. So you need to change the interval. Right-click, choose Interval and select 15 minutes. Notice now you can drag 15-minute chunks of time when drag selecting an activity. Do you want to see your completed activities in your calendar so you know where you were, let's say, last week? Simply right-click, select Show and Completed, and your history items are now displayed as greyed out items or as crossed out if the activity was timeless. Notice also from the Show menu you can also specify which activities you want to view. If there is a tick next to them, you'll see them. To hide completed items, click Completed again to remove the tick. Let's say you are scheduling a meeting well into the future. When selecting the date, rather than scroll through, just click on the year and then choose the year you want. And then click on the month and then select the month you want. If you make a mistake, then right-click on the month and select Go to Today. Not many people know those little tricks. When looking at data in any data grids or groups, there will generally be a sort default, but you can override that temporarily if you want to sort your data on a different column and in a different direction. Simply click on any column header and notice the little grey triangle that indicates the sort direction. When looking at the list view of an entity, you can be faced with a number of groups you don't necessarily want to use. You can easily hide a group by selecting it, right-clicking and then choosing Hide Group. But once it's hidden, how do you get it back? Simple. Right-click on any group title and choose Manage Groups. Open up the entity tree for the group you want and highlight that group. Notice the checkbox indicates it is hidden. Remove the tick and then click Close. Boom goes El Dynamite. You can now see the group again. So that's it. A few more tips and tricks. You'll not be surprised to know that I'm off to lie down in a darkened room, but thanks for watching this SalesLogix production.